Hello, it's Steve Fowle, the school chef, and you join me here today at home with the school chef with my trusty assistant, my grandson Oscar. Say hello, mate.
Hello.
Hello, everybody. It's pancake day, and we're going to make some lovely pancakes. Tell everybody what we're going to put in our pancakes today, mate. Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips! And we're going to make some lovely, big, fluffy American pancakes. So follow us, and we'll make them now. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we have self-raising flour, milk, icing sugar, chocolate chips, baking powder, eggs, and vanilla flavouring. Say hello.
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 Okay. So, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to put the flour into the sieve like this. Like that, okay? Got it?
Yep.
Hold it, got it?
Yes, but you have to help me a little bit, Puffy.
Like that. And then we're going to put the baking powder in, like that.
Yeah.
And now we'll put the sugar in there as well. Look at that, and we can go all the way up there like that too. Good work, mate, good work. Now look at the camera and give it a thumbs up. Awesome. So first of all, take the milk, put the milk in there, nice and carefully, all of it in there.
Yeah.
Into there, this is the vanilla flavouring. And pour that in. Lovely work. And we're going to crack the eggs in. That's it. Shell into there.
But we haven't got gooey.
That's alright, don't worry about that. We've got a nice cloth here. There you are, buddy. Alright. That's the fun of it, isn't it? Getting all gooey. Gooey, gooey. Pour it all in there. Alright. Really, really good stir.
But there's lumps in it, so I can only move it.
That's alright, we'll get them out of there. That's it. Oh, that's it. And then give them a real good stir. Awesome. Brilliant. You're such a clever boy. So we're going to put some butter on the pan. A little bit of butter there. That's it.
I hope this works right.
It will.
Here's our first pancake.
That's our first pancake.
That's even that. Oh, this is sure.
Ready? Go! Way!
I'm gonna watch it go chocolate. Ooh.
Smell
It's
nice?
burning my eyes. It's quite getting to my eyes.
Put your sprinkles on. Which one do you want? They're all falling off. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Well, not too many. That's it.
Wow.
So that's it. Pancake day with me, the school chef, and my amazing assistant Oscar. Say goodbye, Oscar.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye. We've had great fun making these pancakes today. Make sure you have fun in your kitchen too. If you like what you've seen, don't forget you can go to my website and buy my book, Family Cooking with the School Chef. It's out right now. And also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. But most of all, have fun cooking with your family. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.